Hello and thank you for watching. I'm Jennifer Bowman with Olympia Piano, and this is video 16 in the 24-day overview of Schumann's Traumerei, which is a word that means dreaming. This video will feature measures 9 through 16, and it's a side view just so you can see some of those finger switches from the side. And so I'm just going to offer you some different dynamics along with the side view. Option number 1. Option 2. Option 3, I'm going to use the soft pedal for measures 13 through 16. Now here's what it would sound like if the soft pedal was down for that entire section. I hope by hearing it a few different ways, that might give you some ideas of what you like and what you don't like, and allow you to create some dynamics that really work for your artistic vision. So as always, thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next video.